Today, we're going to look at Google Sites for portfolios in 10 easy steps. So, what is a digital portfolio and why do you need one? A digital portfolio is a collection of artifacts and reflections that showcases students' progress and achievement. A digital portfolio allows you to own your work, shape and leave your digital footprint, reflect on your learning, and celebrate your achievements. There are two tools that we are going to use, your Google Drive and Google Sites. In Google Drive, students need to save, organize, and curate their learning artifacts in their digital warehouse. In Google Sites, students create a portfolio that they use throughout their K through 12 career and beyond. To start the process, you're going to go to your Wake ID and create a folder in your Google Drive called Digital Warehouse. You're going to create a subfolder based on grade level, classes, and assignments. You're going to upload photos, projects, essay, presentations, video, etc. to your digital warehouse. Then you're going to name all artifacts accordingly for easy searching. For example, name the document based on grade level, class, subject, assignment. I am going to do that now with you guys. So if you pull out your laptops, hopefully you have it up and you have gone to your Wake ID. Let's go through that process now together. So you are going to click on your drive and you're going to put add new and your folder is going to be Digital Warehouse. And then you're going to press create. Within that digital warehouse, you're going to click on it and you're going to add all 4 grades as folders. Everyone should be doing this right now. Okay, so I have all 4 grades set up. You're going to click on 9th grade because that's the grade you're currently in. And you're going to add folders for each subject that you are taking this semester. So you can have a world history folder. And this is the place that you save artifacts. I'm going to do another one, English 1. Okay, so after you're done creating all 4, next semester, then you'll create another 4. This is how you will keep everything organized. Because on your Google site, this is an example. This is Brianna Garcia. And if you look at the top, she has 9th, 10th, 11th, her college career prep, and 12th grade. If you want to create a link, and we'll talk about this once we start designing your site, you can put about me. But these are all her subjects. And the reason why she has it broken down, because these are subjects that she has taken. And then when you click on that subject, her artifact will be located inside with the review. Okay. By the end of our time together today, you will be able to create a Google site, have reference materials to use when creating your portfolio, and of course, have some fun. So let's plan it. Consider your evaluation instrument or areas of learning. What headings could be created? Would this fit your needs? Is there anything else to be added? Reflections, resume. And right now our headings will be our 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, 12th grade, but you can also do about me. So let's sketch, plan out, outline of portfolio. You're going to create a portfolio folder in your Google Drive with appropriate subfolders. We just did that with our digital warehouse. And then you're going to start collecting artifacts. Throughout this semester, you will do several projects or assignments in your classes, and the ones that you feel are your best, those are the ones you keep and you upload them in the correct folder. So you're going to create it from your Wake ID portal. Click to open Google Drive. You need to be doing that now. You're going to basically open a Google site. You're going to click right here and you're going to locate sites. That's what we want to work with. Click to open new Google Sites. You want to use the latest version. Click on the red button with the white plus sign to create a new site. You pick whatever design you want. It's up to you, however you want your digital portfolio to look. And then, ta-da, you have your page. You're going to name it. Click to name new site. Wake County email logon is one example. Jado, if email is jado@wcpss.net. Think about age of your students and what is appropriate. You're going to create a heading. Type to select size format of your header. You're going to click header type, size format desired, click to return to menu, excuse me. You're going to click change image to select background of header. Then you're going to click upload to use the image personally saved. Click select image to select from library. You're going to create your heading. And you can select your themes, like how do you want your page to look. Click themes to select formatting theme. Then select your theme. And you can also add pages and subpages. This is where you're gonna create 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. And I'm gonna walk through this with you, this whole process. And then you can also add subpages, excuse me. And then your content, how do you want it to look? And then you're gonna insert. If you have an artifact you want to upload now, then you will press insert to insert those artifacts. You're going to organize and add your images. This is where you're going to use your digital warehouse to help you do that. And you can also, within your digital warehouse, I guess, create a folder that's called photos if you want to put your photos in a separate folder, or you can just, again, keep it in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th based on subjects. You're going to organize and add your images. And then you want to preview your site and see how you like your site. There are 3 options available for viewing your site: your smartphone display, your tablet display, your computer screen display. To exit preview, then click the X. And then you're going to publish your site. To begin publishing the site, click the Publish button. You will need to decide how many people and who will be allowed to see your site. You can type the site address that you would like to use. It can be your email logon, name, color, food. Next, we will select how many and who will be able to see your site. This is where you go to manage to determine who will have access to your site. You're going to select the visibility, privacy choices for who can view. You want to view draft, view publish, edit site. So you should select anyone in Wake County Public Schools can view and can find and view the published version. That's what we recommend for younger students, but if you want to just put it out there on the web, anyone can find and view the published version. That means anyone can. If specific people was selected, and invite them by email to view your site. This is if you're not ready to publish it. And hooray, your original site is published. So I'm going to work through this with you. I've already gone through the process of creating a Google site. So this is what it should look like. You can put your name. We'll put Jane Doe. And we can title this page Jane Doe. Now, because I am a school teacher and I want to put an image up there, I can just put school teacher, or I'm a history teacher. So I can put history teacher and then go to images to see if I can find a picture that I like there. And I'm just gonna select this, and if you right click, I can save the image. I'm going to say save image, and I'm going to put career history teacher, and it's going to save to my desktop so I can pull that up. Then I'm going to go back to my site, Jane Doe site, and I want to change my image. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to put upload, and I'm going to find it. It's on desktop. It was career, or I'll just put study resources. So as you see, that's how you put the image up there. To add pages, I'm going to click on pages, and you're going to press insert. Right now, the only page is home, and so you're going to press insert. And your insert is going to, you're going to go down here and put, you're going to press that button to add page. So you can put you could put 9th grade. It depends on how you want your page to look. You put 9th grade. We'll add another page. We'll put 10th grade. You can also put a about me page up there. And you're able to like move these if you want to. So you can put your about me right here. Now, when we look at her website, she did the 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th, and then college prep. Or, you know, you can, that's the simplest way to do it. She didn't do it about me, but it's up to you however you want your page to look. So let's say I click on 9th grade. I go to my 9th grade page. You can change this image. And when you change image, you can again say upload, because and I'm just gonna put this just to change it. And then that's my backdrop. Now, your themes, you can even go further and change the font. Like let's say I like diplomat instead, and that's what it changes. So it's up to you however you want to do your page. But once you go into there right here, you can either add text by clicking here, and all I did was double click, or you can do insert. When you go to insert, that's when you choose your page layout. You can choose your page layout, and I can click that. And let's say I wanted to do, I don't know, just an overview. But within 9th grade, let's say I'm at 9th grade, go back to pages. You go right here where it has those 3 dots, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to add a sub page. Your sub page will be your subject, world history. And then I want to go back to 9th grade. I want to add another sub page, and I want that to be English 1. And again, you just click on those pages, and you can change this backdrop, and you can change the layout. I want to put 3 pictures. But that's about it to create your Google site. And then of course you go to publish, and that's where you go to manage to see if anybody wants to, like, who do you want to see this site before you publish it? Or do you just want to put it out on the web, or do you only want Wake County people to see it? So that's like the very last step. This is your professional digital portfolio.